So let's go back and test this one. So if I click without entering anything, it says you need to enter something. If I just click on this one, it is adding it. If I keep clicking on this one, it just keep on adding the cards, so which is not very good. So let's do one thing. When you add the value here, and after you add the card, let's clear the input. To do that, all you have to do, after you complete this load image, you just need to add this value to empty like this. With that, you're pretty much done. If I press the button without adding anything, it alerts. If I add some text and click on enter or upload, it adds the card, and at the same time it clears my input. Like you have a test again, you click on this, it adds the card and it clears the input. That's really good. So with that, we are able to generate the cards with the two buttons. Let's adjust the way these cards are looking. To do that, we have to go back to the default card that is getting generated, which is right here, and we give this card an ID. This division, we gave this division an ID called main container. So instead of giving that, we can create a new row and give the ID to this one, and also add this default card inside the main container ID, and also add this default card inside this row. So I'll just copy everything and format the code to make it look a little better. Let's come back to our browser, refresh. You click on this one, it is generating to the right instead of generating at the bottom. Great. So if I add one more, it will automatically come to the next row. That's the magic from the Bootstrap. And I want to keep some space between each card so that they'll look a little better. To do that, I'll just add some padding of 3, and also I want for each card, I want the margin of 2. Margin 2 on 4 sides. So it will be applying on top, bottom, left and right. And we go back to our template, and here we also add the same class called margin 2. So let's refresh this one, create it. Now we have a decent amount of space, and let's test this one, and again we have a good one. Let's test this for one more card to see how it is going to come down. Perfect. So now this card have a space at the bottom, space at the right, space at the right and the left, and the top and bottom. Perfect. Alright, great. So now we can create the dynamic cards using 2 different buttons and add it to our container body. So in the next tutorial, we will see how we can assign the IDs, that is jQuery related IDs, and how we can actually implement the TensorFlow using the image ID or image source. Until then, see you next time. Bye-bye.